I'm Sid, and these are my best friends. My mom, Kim, my dad, Ty, my sister, Maddie, and our salty dog, Stella. We started our adventure refitting a Lagoon 450 before taking on the massive project of resurrecting a sunken 2021 Leopard 50. It's been one heck of a ride, but we're on this adventure to die with memories, not dreams, and live dauntless.
Well, good morning. I just woke up from my shift. No, I didn't. God, I'm so tired. I just woke up from being off shift, and I'm having some breakfast. And look, guys, land ho. We're in Bermuda. It's kind of hard to see because it's cloudy, but I think hours sooner than we thought. So I'm gonna grab some breakfast and get the lowdown from the crew and see what we need to do. I think we probably should get some salt off the boat before we go to land and have fun. He's running away from the camera. Oh no, he's just rinsing. Oh, look at that. The secret to get the pressure. What was that, Will?
We can't tell you all the tricks of the trade.
Well, if you don't, then I don't have to do it, right?
Well, we make it harder for you.
All right, guys, after a brisk 3 or 4 hour washdown, she is now shiny and bladed off and ready for another trip across the big blue ocean. But tonight, we are actually gonna get cleaned up and we're gonna go to dinner as a crew. So I'm really excited. All right, we have another day and another project. I have been tasked to take this hardware and get it cleaned, lubricated, and adjusted and ready to install in some hatches that were repaired in Fort Lauderdale. So to start, I'll be down here in the lazarette, which is behind the engine room, to do that work, and then I'll see you up top. Done. The rest of the sanding and tidy up work and making the rest of it look pretty will happen in Europe when we actually get a sander. Until then, it's watertight and we can go across the big blue without taking on water. All right, so I got my projects done, and I'm now gonna take a walk. I was gonna rent a scooter, but the scooter place is closed. So maybe tomorrow. It is blowing like absolute hell out there. I think we were gusting to 30 knots on the bridge deck up there. So I'm glad to be in town where it's just breezy and I'm down in all these little alleyways. It's hard to believe that's been here for hundreds of years. All right, so I'm about to go into something called the Unfinished Church. And, well, ironically, that's just exactly what it looks like. Although, very cool. All right, guys, so it is Saturday morning and it is blowing like crazy. I think today we're supposed to get 29-mile-an-hour winds gusting to 39 miles an hour, but we got all our projects done, and this is the day that me and the boys get to go out and see the island and see if we can get lost today. Comes the rain, huh?
Just in time.
Just in time.
Deeper, I would definitely do that.
Yeah, I don't think that's deep enough to jump.
No.
All right, hello from Bermuda, from the Relentless crew.
Yeah.
Woo!
That's a video.
Say what?
I said, oh, it's a video.
Oh, it's a video.
Yeah.
Should we try it again?
All right, let's go.
All right, let's go. All right,
2,
3, 1. Hello
to the Bahamas.
hello from Bermuda, from the Relentless crew. is so bright out here. We are just over a day outside of Bermuda on our way to the Azores, and it is just gorgeous out here. It's calm, it's quiet, and the seas have really laid down from the 8-footers we had last night. So we're maybe out here in 3-foot seas, and it's amazing. So I'm getting ready to go on watch. I've got the 4 to 8 p.m. and 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. shift, and yeah, we're just trucking right along. I think we have about 6.5 days left till we get to Horta, and I'll check in with you guys, but this has pretty much been it. Just cruising along, doing our shifts, and I've been trying to edit video and come outside and enjoy the weather because it is amazing. And I know I'm in the middle of the ocean, but damn, that's a lot of water. All right, catch you guys later. All right, so it looks like we have a little bit of water coming in the stern door, which is that door right there, right at the bottom. So we've come down to an idle. You can see how there's barely any movement on the back of the boat. And I'm gonna walk down there because I've got bare feet and see if that gasket's coming loose or if I can diagnose what's going on. All right, so we're turning around. You can hear me. We gotta go upwind. We've got a following wind and sea right now, and as we're coming about, the apparent wind is really hitting me, and we're gonna nose in because we've got quite a bit of splash on the transom of the boat, and we just wouldn't be able to get it dry and be able to get it clean and get it taped down to stop the leak from leaking into the door jamb. So we're coming about right now, and the boat's kind of heeling over. I don't know if you can see it as the waves are hitting us on the side, but it's amazing how big those waves get when they're not chasing you. Just never does it justice. Jammy.
Of course.
Of course.
Is it let go time? Can you feel it?
Grab this from me. I need some slack. Yeah, it's cracked.
Yeah, he's confirmed it's let go down that bottom corner right.
It's a hairline, but it's cracked all the way up here.
It's cracked all the way about halfway up the door.
Yeah, no, maybe 18 inches up the door, and then all the way back to this corner.
You're probably gonna have to do it section by section in between the swells.
Yeah.
Soak one of those rags in alcohol, one at a time.
Is this where we stop for a swim? Alright, if I'm gonna get wet, Madison, see it.
Oh, you asked for it.
I asked for it.
Hey, you want another dry rag?
Dry rag. You're really good. I meant for wiping the door, not for you. No, it actually helps it seal on the shrink tape. You can actually hit it with water. Well, I think it'll last 24 hours. See what?
The forward corners let go as well?
No, we're good. It stops about right here. All right. Another half meter. Worst part about this whole deal? I'm going the wrong way.
Yes. Make sure that door flashes properly. Get spotlight.
So that was fun. I got completely soaked to the bone on the aft deck. We even turned into the waves, and the captain sped up and tried to keep me as dry as possible and keep the project as dry as possible. But you know, it happens. So I'm going to go and rinse the salt water off of me and probably throw some clothes in the laundry. But there's never a dull day on the water.